Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have items and a price range. Start now by sorting priority items by condition and demand. Walk the buyer through any defects and demonstrate function when possible, because trust speeds deals. State your initial price clearly and then pause to let the buyer respond. That opens negotiation. Once they counter, use your floor price to guide concessions and make a bundled offer if you want a faster sale. This forces decision and moves inventory. Continue by listening closely and mirroring the buyer's interest to build rapport, because people buy from sellers they like. Make a single, meaningful concession, like a small price cut or free accessory, then stop to see if that closes the deal. If they ask to trade, compare values quickly and propose a cash plus trade split. Verify payment method before handing over the item and recount cash allowed, or wait for text confirmation of electronic payment to avoid disputes. Finalize by packing the item and stating the sale terms aloud so there's no confusion. This protects both of you. Hand over the goods after receiving full payment and offer a short, simple receipt if they want one, because clarity prevents returns. If something goes wrong, payment cleared but buyer complains, stay calm, inspect the issue, and offer a modest goodwill fix or partial refund. This preserves reputation and often ends conflict quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.